making a foot triangle?
Yeah.
You're making a foot triangle?
Yeah.
All right, make it. Go ahead. That's so dumb. All right, hey guys, welcome to our channel, Living It. I'm Jared.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Zoe.
I'm Rima.
And I'm Olive.
And tonight we are all stir crazy like you are with this whole coronavirus thing. So tonight we are gonna do a little family Fortnite and maybe some other stuff. We don't know. It's gonna get crazy.
Fortnite.
Fortnite.
Like make a fort.
That's what I said. Fortnite. We're gonna make a fort.
No, it's not. That's the game.
We're gonna make a fort. Fortnite. All right.
No, it's not.
We're gonna make a homemade fort for Fortnite.
No, that's not what.
All right. Here we go. All right, guys, here's the fort. It's completed. This is it. We'll see the inside a little bit, and then we're going to turn off the lights. We got everybody in. Princess is in. Oh.
Like, this isn't it. We got 50 more done.
Okay, turn off the lights, Sarah. Or, Sarah, you getting in?
59 more to go.
Sarah squeezing in.
Put your legs together.
This is what it looks like at nighttime, guys. Not a pretty bad, it's not a bad coronavirus 2020 fort. Here we go. This is our survival fort
You gotta come get
from the coronavirus.
Come get it.
All right, guys, I'm coming my way into the fort. Everybody scoot over.
Daddy Goose.
Oh, oh.
Ow, Daddy Goose.
Somebody said I was going to break the fort.
Ow, Daddy Goose. Ow, Daddy Goose.
Oh,
Ow, Daddy. Hey, get Princess in the video. There
Princess
she is.
is in the video. Princess, what do you think about the
There's
fort?
a taco right here.
There's a
No,
taco.
that's my taco.
got poked in the eye.
Taco.
All right, this is our cool fort. Everybody's in, nice and cozy. Me and Mom are going to bed, so they can go to sleep now. Happy trapped in the house day. Quarantine. Trapped in the house day
I
right
hope
here.
you guys are all doing well during this very tough time.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Why am I getting hit? I want to die.
Feel that little beard.
Don't get the coronavirus, Dad.
Don't get the coronavirus.
Stay safe and don't have the coronavirus, okay? Peace out. Peace out.
Bye. No, that's not. Bye, guys.
Well, day 2 and the fort is still standing. Half the kids slept in the fort. The other one decided to choose the comfy couch. Raymond's so smart. This is what Zoe looks like first thing in the morning.
Oh my gosh.
I do not have a shirt on.